Mabuhay! Welcome to another edition of Shot and Learn. In today's lesson, we're going to discuss about demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns are exactly the same words that we use in a sentence, but we have to know its differences. To quickly define adjectives and pronouns, adjective describes a noun, while pronoun takes place of the noun. By means of these definitions, this will give us a guide on how to use them. The words this and that can function as both adjective and pronouns. Let's take a look at these examples. This book is mine. This is used as an adjective accompanied by the book, which is your noun. And this one is mine. This is now used as a pronoun, and if you can see, the word book is not anymore written in a sentence. Meaning to say, it's because it was already replaced by the pronoun this. Now, another example using that book is yours. That is used as an adjective because it describes the noun book. That is yours, or that one is yours. That is now used as a pronoun. This is because that replaces the noun book. Now, this is the same with Spanish. This example, Juan reads this book. So this is used as an adjective. And if in Espanol, Juan lee este libro. The next one, Juan reads this. This used as pronoun. Juan lee este. That statue is Greek. Used as an adjective. Esa estatua es griega. That one is American. Esa es americana. Now, let's take a look at the demonstrative in Spanish and English. Este means this. Ese means that. Aquel means that one over there. To illustrate with an object is near with the speaker and listener, so we use this or este. And if it is far away from the speaker but slightly close with the listener, we use that, which is ese. And if the object is very far from the speaker and listener, so we use that over there or aquel. Now, let's take a look at the forms of demonstrative adjective in Espanol. So we have separated the masculino or masculine and femenino or feminine with its singular and plural forms. For masculino, we use este for singular, estos for plural. We have ese for singular, esos for plural. Aquel for singular, aquellos for plural. Now let's look at the examples. Este libro, singular. Estos libros, plural. In English, that means this book, singular, and these books, plural. The next one, ese libro, singular. Esos libros, plural. That means that book and those books. For an object which is far away from speaker and listener, we have aquel libro and aquellos libros. That means that book over there and those books over there. Now let's look at the femenino or feminine. We have esta and estas, esa and esas, aquella and aquellas. Now for the example, we have esta vela and estas velas. Could notice vela or velas are noun feminine. This is the reason why we already changed the demonstrative adjective. So this means this candle and these candles. Next example, esa vela and esas velas. This means that candle and those candles. Now, aquella vela and aquellas velas means that candle over there and those candles over there. Now, if you could notice, demonstrative adjective changes its form from singular to plural, masculine to feminine. And in order for you to have an idea for the adverb of location, in Espanol, we have aquí and acá for here. Ahi there means not too far. And allá and allí is over there, meaning to say farther from the speaker and listener. Now, let's take a look at demonstrative pronouns. We have este, this one, estos, these ones, esta, this one, and estas, these ones. So, meaning we have forms of masculine and feminine, singular and plural for demonstrative pronouns as well. Another one, we have ese and esos, in that one and that ones, esa and esas, that one and those ones. For the ones that is far from the speaker and listener, have aquel for singular, aquellos for plural, masculine, aquellas singular, aquellas plural, feminine. We also have a neuter form for demonstrative pronoun. This means that they do not change whether it is masculine or feminine, singular or plural. We have esto, this matter or this thing, eso, that matter or that thing, aquello, that matter over there or that thing over there. Now, to illustrate, the girl is pointing something and asking the boy, what is this in English? And in Espanol, this is translated as ¿Qué es esto? Meaning to say, the girl is asking for an abstract idea or an unknown object. The next one is a man is asking, what is that? Maybe he is asking for an unknown object or for an abstract idea. Espanol, this is translated as ¿Qué es eso? Meaning, what is that or what is that object that is unknown or what is that abstract idea. And for the next one, we have the kid pointing to something which is flying over there. So since the object is unknown, the kid might ask, ¿Qué es aquello? Meaning to say, what is that thing flying over there or what is that thing? So I would like to acknowledge these links, who owns the pictures, and always remember, you will not achieve anything if you don't give it a shot. Thank you. Adios. Salud.